A short ride from the heart of Scottsdale, Arizona, the idyllic town of Fountain Hills is home to a wonderful opportunity to acquire a contemporary residence of great style. Perfectly located on a hilltop Cul De Sac in the Eagle Feather Estates, it enjoys great privacy and stunning mountain views. The modern architectural lines lead you to a front courtyard and through the large steel and glass front door, where the true quality of the interiors are revealed. You are immediately struck by a beautiful open floor plan with a wall of windows welcoming the spectacular desert vistas. The space includes a living room, dining room, kitchen and study, in an environment perfect for entertaining with tray ceilings and acoustic wall paneling. The kitchen boasts counter-seating, chiseled-edge granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and custom hardwood cabinetry. The huge sliding doors open to the rear yard, where the perfect climate meets the ultimate outdoor living space, with a negative edge swimming pool, spa and large covered patio for dining or relaxing in this tranquil setting. With single floor living, the master bedroom suite is easily accessed and features a large bedroom, exquisite bathroom with room for two, and large fitted closets. The residence includes 4 bedroom suites in total, including a superb guest Casita with separate entrance, perfect for extended family or au pair. Designed for a contemporary desert lifestyle, this magnificent home combines elegance and refinement amidst the beauty of the spectacular natural landscape.